ki khibor ki babanya Hashwa jong ka jingjiet nong mi khmat shaki yang dor bar thau an ka jala ka banlong ha ka arp nyau trek ubnai rempang ka Seng Congress mta ka singi kala palat ya ki mat Treikam ka jongka kani ka jing tho ka pen I ya ka jing angnut jong ka Seng bat ki jing kular na ka benda ka jala ha kilyang ba pher bakin thop a ka rep karyang ka pule ka puthi ka kot ka khia ka jing tei bat ki jing pule puthi na ka benda ki khana kan thai no lor ki wei ya kani ka mat Treikam la palat da General Secretary ka All India Congress Committee Ujairam Ramesh ha ka jing don lang u AICC in charge ka Meghalaya u Manish Charat u hedu jong ka MPCC u Vincent H Pala u chairman ka Manifesto Committee u Celestine Lingdo bat ki wei ki nong yalam ba khabat jong ka Seng haba crunch kilat patai khubor hadin ke jing pelat pajba ya ki mat Treikam u Ramesh u loong beladep ban penbit penbiang ya ki mat Treikam hadin blak mi benya bah ya barok ki jing e blamat de ki nong song jang ka jela.
So for the Congress this is a watershed. And I will give you only two indicators of this manifesto has 14 big promises to be fulfilled over the next 5 years. Every year, we will present a report to the people of Meghalaya, giving a report card on the status of implementation. We have promised a job to every household, promised a power cut-free Meghalaya, I mentioned that to you. Corruption-free Meghalaya, most important, we will have a law against corruption. We will implement this law. We will have an ombudsman. We will have a strong anti-corruption machinery. And whatever the orders passed by legal authorities, like the National Green Tribunal, will be implemented fully. And we have promised a drug-free Meghalaya.